Are you ready to embark on a journey through the enchanting cities of Morocco? From bustling medinas to tranquil coastal towns, Morocco offers travelers a tapestry of experiences waiting to be discovered. But with so many incredible cities to explore, where should you start? Join us as we unveil the top 5 cities to visit in Morocco, each offering its own unique charm, culture, and adventure. Are you ready to explore? Let's dive in. Number 5. Essaouira. Our journey begins in the coastal gem of Essaouira, where the Atlantic Ocean meets the ancient ramparts of this charming town. Known for its laid-back atmosphere, windswept beaches, and vibrant art scene, Essaouira is a haven for travelers seeking relaxation and inspiration. Explore the bustling Medina, sample fresh seafood at the harbor, and immerse yourself in the rich history and culture of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 4. FaZe. Next up, we have the historic city of FaZe, a labyrinth of narrow streets, ancient alleyways, and bustling souks. Step back in time as you wander through the Medina, home to the world's oldest university and some of Morocco's most exquisite architecture. Lose yourself in the sights, sounds, and scents of this vibrant city, and discover the hidden treasures waiting around every corner. Number 3. Marrakech. Moving on to the vibrant city of Marrakech, where the ancient meets the modern in a whirlwind of color and chaos. Explore the iconic Jima LFNA Square, where snake charmers, storytellers, and street performers entertain crowds late into the night. Lose yourself in the maze-like streets of the Medina, haggle for treasures in the souks, and escape the hustle and bustle in the tranquil oasis of the city's beautiful gardens. Number 2. Chefchaouen. Nestled in the Rif Mountains, the picturesque town of Chefchaouen is a photographer's paradise. With its stunning blue-washed buildings, narrow cobbled streets, and breathtaking mountain views. Explore the town's peaceful Medina, sample local delicacies at charming cafes, and hike to nearby waterfalls and natural wonders. Known as the Blue Pearl of Morocco, Chefchaouen is a must-visit destination for any traveler seeking beauty, serenity, and inspiration. Number 1. Casablanca. Rounding out our list is the cosmopolitan city of Casablanca, where tradition meets modernity in a captivating blend of cultures and influences. Explore the iconic Hassan II Mosque, one of the largest mosques in the world, and marvel at its stunning architecture and intricate details. Discover the city's vibrant art scene, indulge in delicious cuisine at world-class restaurants, and soak up the lively atmosphere of this dynamic metropolis. There you have it, our top 5 cities to visit in Morocco. Whether you're exploring the coastal charm of Essaouira, getting lost in the labyrinthine streets of FaZe, or soaking up the vibrant energy of Marrakech, Morocco offers travelers a rich tapestry of experiences waiting to be discovered. Have you had the pleasure of visiting any of these cities? Share your experiences in the comments below and let us know your favorite memories and recommendations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy travels!